Role of plants in relation to human welfare. Role of plants in relation to human welfare. The role of plants in relation to human welfare having following points. First one is food available plants. The plants provided food to the human beings. So it is the major aspect to relation to human welfare. From that food plants, first one is cereals. They are also called Trunadhanyalu. They are having carbohydrates like rice, wheat, corn, barley, oats. So these cereals for mainly cultivating for carbohydrates. And next cereals type millets. They are also called Chirudhanyam. The seeds are small in size. These are also containing carbohydrates. These types of cereals like millets cultivated at the nascent time of cultivation. 4 parents are cultivated this type of cereals like sorghum, sajjalu, ragulu. Next food material is legumes. Legumes mainly cultivated for protein purpose. Human beings mainly 2 major food materials. One is carbohydrates. Latter, second place of food material is protein. The protein is cultivated from or consumed from legumes family by red grams, green grams, black grams, peas. These plants are belongs to legumes. These are containing enrich of proteins. And nuts, which nuts are with a single seed and hard outer shell called nuts. Single seed and hard outer shell is called nuts. They are contains carbohydrates, proteins, and other nutrients also in these nuts. Example, coconuts, cashew, walnuts, pista, and peanuts. Some vegetables are also used as a food materials. Like plant pod, like root, shoot, leaf, fruits. Root parts in some plants used for the vegetables, like Daucus carota. Shoots are used for the food material like potato. Leaves are used for the food material like spinach leaves. Fruits are used for the vegetables from Cucurbitaceae family. And fruits. The plant pods containing seed is called fruit. Different types of fruits are consumed by the human beings. Next, fruits are 2 types. They are tropical fruits. They are developed in the temperature, on the high temperature regions like mango, lemon, banana, guava. And the temperate fruits. The fruits are developed in cool temperature areas like apple, pears, strawberry, grapes. Like next important points about the relation to human welfare of plants, industrial plant products. Industrial plant products are fiber, wood, tannins, dyes, rubbers, fats, organic acids, oils, pulp, resin, mucilage, sugar, flour, cellulose, pectin. These are produced by plants at the industrial levels. These are used for the human beings in different ways. Herbs, and third point, herbs and medicinal plants. Study about medicines and herbs plants called pharmacognosy. The Ayurvedam explained with pharmacognosy. Alkaloids like caffeine, theobromine, nitrogen secondary metabolites. These are the alkaloids for the human beings for making of different types of medicines from the plants and herbs. And the fourth one, pond spice, lime water, caoutchouc, clove, mint, betel, areca. These are used for the pond spice for the human beings. And fifth point, spice condiment, fragrance. The fragrance are spices having good aroma called spices. These are used in cooking for food smell. And sixth one is beverages. The beverages are two types. One is non-alcoholic beverages like coffee, tea. These are called soft drinks and sugar drinks. And alcoholic beverages like wine, beer, whiskey, brandy, rum, gin, and etc. Then alcoholic beverages are injurious to health. These are the main concepts for the human relations with plants, the role of plants in human relation or in human welfare. Role of plants in relation to human welfare having these types of points.